day there was a bit of pain. I had a little bit of trouble sleeping, so that was the worst part for me. But then after that, everything was really smooth. I just kept taking my medication, and then I can like move around and sleep and do things like normal in my house. But the first night was definitely the most uncomfortable. And then when they took out the little cotton packing in my nose, that hurt a little bit. But other than that, this has been great. I'm already satisfied. I cannot wait to get this off.
Can you try to breathe? Is it okay?
It's better.
Better?
Yes.
Do you feel like anything after?
My face wasn't too bad today, but I'm not too worried about my swelling anymore anyways, because you weren't there when I got my nose packing out, but it looked like blueberry.
잘했어요. 고생 많았어요.
Hello, my name is Victoria and I'm from the United States and I got nose surgery. I was very unconfident with my appearance of my nose and I didn't really enjoy that part of my face. Felt like my nose was a little bit too big for my face, so I really wanted to see someone really experienced and hopefully get some feedback on what I could change to make my nose better suit my face. I know it's not the final results yet, but I'm already very happy with how it looks. It just looks so different and already like what I kind of like wanted it to be. From the day of after the surgery, I already had a little bit of I guess tears because I finally could look at my face and be like, I don't hate my nose. But yeah, I'm really excited for the future results as the time goes by because your nose keeps getting better and better. So I definitely think if you are someone who is looking for an experienced surgeon, definitely come to Sketch Plastic Surgery because they will give you thorough advice and thorough guidance on what you can do to give you a more confident version of yourself.